All right, so this is gonna be a quick video right here. About to do a sound comparison. If you know, you've been following my channel, you know I got mid muffler delete. He got muffler delete. We gonna crank them both up one by one and see what the see what his sound like and see what mine sound like. Just in case you try and get this done, or you just want to know how they sound in general. So you just go ahead, start the Camaro up first.
When the remote started, or
it don't matter. Hey, you know what? You have to switch my shit to track too when you rev it, cause my shit started in like auto. So
cool. I'm gonna start this up right now.
So you hear it, that should be cracking for sure. Like that snap, crackle, pop. Hey, for sure. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start this one up. You know how to switch to the track mode and all that shit, right?
Pretty much the performance page.
Yeah, or actually you just double tap the drive mode button twice. It's down there by the
So before I started, my shoes, man.
Hey, you see he disrespectful. He got the Nike with the Adidas. That boy got problems.
My fucking tours, these motherfucking Yeezys is crazy.
Hey, definitely go up half size, then they're whole size on these motherfucking 350s, man.
Motherfucking toe box is killer.
Hey, my light's still on too.
So which one to press? Big and
so the drive modes, hit it twice after you turn the car on.
Okay,
got
so turn it on first.
Yeah, duh.
Hey, nah, well shit, you know the Camaros, you can switch that shit.
Yeah, whatever, Camaro, whatever. Yeah, you good. Just go ahead and rev it. Oh. Yeah. All right, so you heard that one. You know what? Because I'm so used to being in the car, I don't realize how loud my shit is, man. My man's got surprised when he revved. He like, oh shit. Definitely sound loud. So you got Scatpack, definitely mid muffler delete. I got that shit done damn near the first 2 weeks. That's mandatory. Oh yeah, resonates. Hey, you can do both. I only did mid muffler. If I do resonators, it's a wrap. I'm definitely getting noise complaints and all that shit from the neighborhood. So for right now, I'm just gonna keep it mid muffler delete. That was 2019 Camaro SS. Muffler delete, 2019 Challenger Scatpack, mid muffler delete. That's what they sound like. That's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. And now I'm out here getting rich.